Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js and the Firebase. So today we are going to set up the Firebase account for the Node.js and the Firebase CRUD application. So let's get started. For those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So this is application that we are going to build. So first we go with I will switch my another account. Okay. So you have to go to your Firebase account. This is your Firebase. Okay, so you have to go with the add new project. Okay, you have to create a new project over here. Suppose CRUD operation Node.js, you can say. I'm going to create a project over here. Continue, then enable and continue with that one. Select an account. This is my default Firebase account. Okay, create. So it will help you to create the project. So it's finishing up. Continue. Go to that project. Okay, so we have the web application part, test, register app. Okay, then continue with the console. So this web app we have added. Okay, now we have to go with the project settings. Okay, then we have a service accounts. Okay, they have a service accounts. Then you have to generate a new private. First of all, we will create a database part also. So here we are using the Firestore database. So you have to go to the Firestore. Okay, then you have to create the database over here. Okay, start in the test mode. Next, next, enable. So it's enable the Cloud Firestore. Okay, so you have to create a new collection over here. Start collection. So I will add the collection name. Give a collection ID that is users. Okay, so this is the collection users. What field I required? Email, phone, and the last one which I required name, mobile. It's not phone, it's mobile, and name. Okay, so let's try to save this. What it says, auto. Okay, value test90 at the rate millinator.com. Mobile number we can add it just for the this collections now you make. Okay, so collection is ready for that one, so now we can use this collection. Next part that we have to do is go to the project settings, service accounts. Actually we require here, if I go to the app.js file, so here we require the service account key JSON file. So that reason we have to go with the service account and then we have to generate a new key. Okay, so it's downloaded and then you can utilize this one. This. Okay, so this is the full-fledged Firebase setup that we will going to use in the next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.